Hey, we're going to try and find the domain of this function. The function is f of x equal to, and there's a big fraction over here. The numerator is x squared minus 4x minus 12. The denominator is x plus 1. So we always ask ourselves the two questions when trying to find the domain from an algebraic expression here. The first is there a denominator? And there is, and that denominator is x plus 1. The other question is there a root? And there is not. So we're just going to focus on this denominator. So with it being a fraction, we just want to make sure that the denominator does not become 0, because we can't divide by 0. So the domain, in this case, we set up to say the denominator, which in this case is x plus 1, cannot be 0. So we solve that just like an equation, and we get x cannot be negative 1. So we can leave it there in the equality form if you like it. We could also write this in interval notation and make it look like everything from negative infinity up to negative 1 with a parentheses, and then we could use that union and then pick back up at negative 1 and go to infinity. So either one of these is a good candidate. So basically it means we can use all real numbers in here except negative 1, which means we'll get a real number back. Thank you.